the girl, and I really should be mine. Dita na boy, 5:36 na kanta-kanta ka pa boy. Sinawa ning menayay baluga kanyang keka. Ay na nakabayaran ng masalese kanyang ta. Ating ko kasing kaiba pe, regular customer or regular passenger, ibaluga. Papamayaran king $5 per week. Kasi at sundukin eh ba? Mamugba ko niya, buklat tayong katamong kaya. Wipers. So, although ba mga ninigyan ka tampanyap ka neba? Although mga ninigyan ka tamong ruta. Abak maranong tamong mama ko. Kasing lubta mo ba? Alas 6. Mama ko takin talaga. 5:30 kaso mating magluto ko pang nano-nano. Late na tambag ya. Pero miratang tangan ng pa rin mga pilang minuto tsuta naman. Minsan tansyahan ko mga 13 minutes, 15 minutes drive. Pag-umpisa Kenny Balyang kamarin, yung obra. Nakakitso ka? Kasi kayo, da kayo kakakit. Boy, I miss your kisses. 25 minutes too late. Opya. Santing magbiyahe mo kanini ba? Pala kang masyadong kasabi, dare-diretso mo'y dalan na eh. Nakalupak yung Angeles. Makanining oras, alas 5. Ay, sapak ng tao, dalan. Titak mo yata yung tao Kenny. Kaya ba? Kung no ko rin puwatso yan. Yan. Karap po palang alimi kabalo at yung Kenny ko mag-work Kenny, New South Wales, Australia. Exact location, Galborne. Yung ating punta kong pangi Kenny ba? Puntalan nyo ko po, di na nyo kong pera. Nangangatay din business. I'm loving so much. I'm loving you. 35 minutes too late. Hey. Ayun, kumantuta na kanini ngayon, ba? Gusto nga tiyong ibaluga, patugo na ako sumapikap kasi po, bala na nanong sa biyong. Ayan, kaya niya mag-over ay makatok ng ikaw mga arbel. Doon tayong gate na makabuklat na, ibig sabihin na-tune ka rin to. Makabuklat na yung gate na, at-tune na naman kanyan ka rin. Alas 5 yung lulubta ba? Marami. Yan, kaya ni kay susundan ni Kai. Malugsay. Tsaka rin ay, kalaw na ba, kachit ko na eh. Ayan. Yan, yung makatalakad na yan ay regular passenger. Hindi pasawa yan siguro. Gusto nga yung bubulat ni Bob, hindi pasawa yung manay. Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine.
Really? How many minutes do you wait here? Every day?
Today?
Yeah, today.
I come here at 20 past.
25.
20 past, yeah.
Ay.
Remember that day when I was...
Ay, yeah, yeah.
yeah, that's the time when I...
You know, I just go early that day because the night shift go to
Alright,
yeah, for day
changes.
shift.
Alright.
Because I think maybe I don't have my parking, my
Ah.
regular parking. Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, no, that's fine.
That's why I go early. But I think there's a lot of parking area in our
Yeah,
campus.
it's there. I
Yeah.
imagine.
So I back to normal. It's back to normal.
Did you end up finding
What?
someone for that room
Where?
where you are staying?
Oh yeah, in Mandi Street. Why?
You could see someone.
No, the room is still vacant.
Oh, I want it.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, if you want, I'm gonna call for Corey.
For
He's the owner of the house.
who is that one?
The owner of Honda here. You
Oh.
know the Honda, the motorcycle dealer
Oh, okay.
in Galborn.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's the owner of that house.
Alright. It's okay. I want to move next week because that hotel is now for sale.
Really?
Yeah.
The exchange hotel is now for sale?
Yes.
Oh my god. Next week.
Yes, next week. When I get some money.
If you want, I'm gonna drop you in that apartment so you can see that room.
Today.
Oh yeah, after work.
Alright, it's fine.
If I don't have my OT, because
If you don't
yesterday
have
I have
yeah,
my
yesterday yes, it did OT.
yeah, so busy.
Yeah, it's okay. So if you don't do OT today, we'll go together then.
Okay.
It's okay, no problem.
Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna tell my friend who live there with me, Lawrence.
Alright.
He's a very good friend,
Alright.
but so talkative a little bit, but you know, he's good friend.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. He maybe become your friend too.
Yeah, no problem. I don't have any problem.
Okay.
People, you know.
And the rent become 140 per week.
140.
Yeah, but every 3 months we gonna pay for Wi-Fi, electricity, water bill, around something $60 to $70.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's not bad, man.
It's okay for you?
Yes.
Yeah. But it's spacious. We have a backyard. If you do your laundry, yeah. But this problem is the hot water sometimes too very running slowly.
Oh.
Yeah, the hot water only.
Water.
Yeah. You know that song? Top of the world. You know that song?
Huh?
Oh my god. Where have you been? During this Sunday morning. Coming true, especially for me. You are the nearest thing to heaven that I see. I'm on top of the world, down on creation, and the only explanation I can find. And you know what? What's the good news? You don't need to pay a bond and 2 weeks advance.
Oh,
Yeah.
I want it, man. I need to move out of that hotel. They are selling it. There's a big signpost. They didn't tell us, but I saw the post.
For sale.
Yes. I'll show you. I took a picture that day.
Yeah. That hotel is so very old.
Yeah.
It's from 1970. Yeah, I saw the picture.
You saw the picture?
Yeah,
Yeah.
post 1970 something.
Yeah.
And you know, man, my bicycle, I
Yeah.
park it into backyard,
Alright.
and then when I go here in our company, sometimes
Yeah.
I feel a ghost. Yeah. Do you know the abandoned bar? There's an abandoned bar
Yeah.
downstairs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think there's a ghost there.
There's a ghost.
Yeah,
Why?
I feel it. I feel it, man.
Where you used
Even
to,
though I put my earphone,
where you used to put your
yung
bike?
bicycle,
Yeah.
in front of that bar, abandoned bar.
Yeah.
I'm scared. Oh my
You're
god.
scared of this hotel.
My park, it's still there. My parking area.
This this
Yeah.
one is yours, man.
This is mine.
This parking doesn't get full.
Did you know that song? Okay, we're here. Let's drink coffee.
You see, let me